What's the meaning of coastguardsman? Coastguardsman. Coastguardsman.
Coastguardsman. Coastguardsman. A coastguardsman is a member of a Coast Guard unit responsible for enforcing maritime law and providing search and rescue services. They monitor coastlines and waterways to prevent illegal activity such as smuggling and human trafficking, respond to emergency situations such as natural disasters or accidents at sea, and conduct search and rescue missions for those in distress. A coastguardsman undergoes rigorous training in areas such as seamanship, navigation, and first aid to be able to effectively carry out their duties. Overall, the role of a coastguardsman is crucial in maintaining safety and security at sea.